Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel, How to Make Money as a Teenager. I believe that you should start making money at a young age so you can be independent faster. In today's economy, we all must make our money in order to survive. As a teenager, it can be hard to do a job and manage studies at the same time. So today I've included some easy ways to make money, which will help you make money as a student, which require no special skills or a college degree. So let's get right into it. Let's get started. Tip number 1, the first way to make money is by investing in shares and other stuff. This isn't really a way to make money, but it can help you save your money from inflation. The key is to invest in the right stuff and don't put all your eggs in one basket. You can buy stocks and stuff online from brokers. You can ask your parents for help. With time, the stuff that you invest in will be worth more, so you can profit in this way. Tip number 2, selling notes. If you are a student who takes notes in class actively, then you can convert those into a PDF and sell them online on many websites for lots of money and help other students. Tip number 3, tutoring. If you are good at a certain subject, you can teach it to other kids and earn money. In this way, you can also get a chance to learn more about that subject. Tip number 4, make videos on YouTube. Next, which is the most popular way, is to make videos. You can make YouTube videos related to anything and earn from ads or sponsorships. You can also promote your business online. You can make vlogs like home vlogs, daily vlogs, skincare routines, food challenges, and cooking if you want more recommendations. Drop your question in the comment. Tip number 5, starting a small business. It can be anything. When I was younger, I used to really like slime, so I used to sell it. I've also sold food stuff. You can sell anything you are good at. For example, food, bracelets, scrunchies, handmade bags, any craft stuff. You can also sell your old stuff. Tip number 6, do things for people online. So, for example, if you're good at 2 languages, you can translate for people online and earn money. If you're good at art, you can start drawing things for people online like brand logos and stuff. If you have a fast typing speed, you can type articles for people. There are so many jobs you can try. I hope these tips helped you. If you have any question, comment down. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, lovelies.